It has been an amazing weekend. I have gotten so much stuff done. I cleaned and organized my entire house. I mean, this is the first time it's ever been clean for this long, or that it's ever been clean all at one time. Usually like only one or two rooms out of the house is clean and then the rest is a mess. So that has been exciting, and I just feel like I'm more on top of it. I'm totally ready for my kids to come home. I'm excited, I'm looking forward to it. I've missed them, and I just feel like I'm on top of it all. Every mom needs their husbands to take their kids for a weekend so they can do this. Like, this has been the most amazing treat of my entire life. I highly recommend this to every mom because you all need some time to get your house in order, to do some self-care, some time to relax without any distractions. So it has been amazing! I have got the whole next week planned out for us, some fun activities, some things I wanted to do with them. I've been able to do a lot of self-care stuff, like tons of meditation and reading and sitting in the sauna, walking on the treadmill, listening to Audible. I've been just really, and writing, lots of writing. I've been practicing my flossing skills too, so that I can really impress my kids. And so right now, I'm gonna go edit this YouTube video. I've got another YouTube video that I'm gonna edit on Crystal Elixir, crystal infused water. And gonna go record a couple podcasts. So I'm gonna be like so on top of it. The kids are coming home in just a few hours. So ready to just take on the world. Owen, I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you a lot.
I'm sad.
Where are you going this weekend? Where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
At a place.
Without me?
Yeah.
You're gonna miss me?
Yeah.
Are you gonna miss me really bad?
Yeah.
Will you call me every night?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah.
You're leaving me?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna miss you. You guys going camping?
Yeah. What?
Camping.
Oh!
Are you gonna miss her?
No.
She loves you so much, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, and she sleeps with you all the time, and she's gonna miss you.
Oh.
I'll take care of her, okay? I'll snuggle her for you.
How about we can bring her?
She might get lost up there.
Oh yeah.
Tell her that you'll be back.
I'll be back. For a long time.
Tell her not to be sad.
No, be sad.
Don't be sad. Owen will be back. Maybe.
Morgan.
Brooklyn,
Yeah.
this is your first time with Daddy?
Yeah.
You going on a daddy trip?
This is my fifth time.
Yeah, you've been going a lot. It's a daddy weekend.
And Owen's first time.
Owen, this is your first time ever.
Brooklyn, Oliver, this is your buckle.
Bye. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with myself? This is the first time in 12 years that I've had the whole house to myself for an entire day, let alone a weekend. I can organize the entire weekend and not be interrupted. And I don't have to make any meals. I'm just drinking shakes all weekend long. Lots of before and after footage I'm gonna show you here because first of all, check out the mess. I've got toys galore. I am totally gonna like declutter, get rid of so many things because, oh my gosh, we just have too much stuff. So, yay! First up is the garage. Doesn't look too bad, but when you get up close, it's really bad. Lots of clutter and random things, so I just want to go through and get rid of a lot of stuff. Hey, look at this! Oh my gosh, it looks so much better, and I feel so much better. still not exactly the way I want it. I still want to declutter a lot more, but I kind of gave myself a time limit last night and I have to move on to other parts of the house. And I even vacuumed and cleaned out both cars. So I'm getting some things done. I have spent the entire weekend cleaning and decluttering and organizing. Everything is perfectly clean and it's such a good feeling. Such a good feeling to have everything so clean. There was like a huge pile of toys right here. Got rid of like the majority of those. Look at my beautiful crystals. I love those. They're so pretty. My elephants. So, let me give you a little tour of my perfectly clean house. Let me turn some lights on. Got my incense going because my family doesn't love it when I have incense burning. So I'm excited I get to do it while they're gone. My pantry is perfectly clean. Nothing on the floor. There's usually like piles of cereal, boxes of cereal and other snacks right there. Put everything away. So I have filled up a whole truckload of stuff that we're getting rid of. And oh my gosh, it just feels good to get rid of stuff, I think. Lots of stuff, getting rid of it all. That makes me happy. I love getting rid of stuff. Thank you, Sean. You're such an amazing husband and dad. I just love you. Thank you for doing that for me. Best gift ever.